696, State versus Christopher Munoz. Attorney Michael White.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor. I guess need to talk to a prosecutor.
All right, you're number one to confer. Where's your client, Christopher Munoz?
I'm not sure. I got this notice just 2 days ago, and I haven't been able to reach him on phone. I get the same whole story. Wireless customer is not available. Call again later. So,
I'm noting that he is absent at this time. Ms. Morgan, are you available?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Ms. Morgan. Would you please confer with Mr. White?
Yes, sir.
thank you, Your Honor.
641-635, State versus Daniel Garza. Attorney Jocelyn Andrews. Daniel Garza. Marked absent. Jocelyn Andrews, attorney. No response. Have you heard from her, Nicole?
No.
All right. Keep in mind she's been ill. 641-805, State versus Troy Sova. He's in jail. Did we bring him over?
No, Judge.
James Dwiggins. Mr. Dwiggins, no response. Any contact from him?
No.
All right, Mr. Sova is in jail, so I can mark him present. 642-451, State versus Roderick Smith, attorney, Stephen Harkins.
I did get an email from his office that he is running late.
All right, at least they had the courtesy to let us know. Good. How about Mr. Smith?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Good morning, Mr. Smith.
Morning, sir.
Appreciate you being here on time. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Stick around.
Yes, sir.
647-582, State versus Stephen Mendoza, attorney, Rene Vela Jr. You're muted, Rene.
Yeah, I'm here, sir.
There you are. Good morning, Rene. How are you?
Doing well. There was an offer made. I just emailed the prosecutor to see if there's any room to move. So
You need to confer?
I wouldn't mind if I had an opportunity to confer. That'd be great.
Well, you have the opportunity. I'm making you number two. Ms. Pollard, are you available? Catherine Pollard, prosecutor. All right.
I think she's here, Judge.
Pardon me?
I don't think she's logged on yet.
All right.
Who was number one to confer?
Number one is conferring, and that's Michael White, I believe.
Okay. Oh, that's
conferring with
Caitlin's in
Caitlin.
there with him. Okay.
All right. And Mr. Mendoza, Rene, where is he? Absent?
I'm here, sir.
Okay, very good. Thank you for being here on time. Your attorney will be conferring. 651-722, State versus Ricky Vela.
Judge, I'm here for him, and I believe that he is listed as Zoom user. He's told me he's logged on.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Okay.
Good morning to you both. Thank you both for being on time.
Good morning. Could I
Ms.
get in
Hewitt?
line to speak with the prosecutor, please?
Absolutely. You're number three.
Thank you.
651-734, State versus Aiden Myers, attorney, Larry Meadows.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Meadows.
Judge, I need to confer.
All right, you're number four to confer. Shouldn't take long.
And Judge, Judge, just to advise you, the last that I heard, he was in juvenile detention.
What?
Yes. His attorney, his juvenile attorney contacted me.
We're going to have to look into that. He shouldn't be in this court if he's in juvenile. So will you
And
confer with the?
he has a pending felony and then multiple cases out of this court.
All right, why don't we let you confer? And
Yes,
the likelihood is that we're going to reset this to get it squared away.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 653-300, State versus Nicholas Granshaw, attorney, Shannon Locke.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Javier Garcia. I'm appearing for Mr. Shannon Locke. He's out of county this morning, and our client is present on Zoom. Your Honor, we're still lacking breath test discovery. We e-filed a motion back in January, but I can confer if you'd like.
Well, it's up to you because I'd give you a 60-day reset since the blood ain't here yet.
Okay, if I can take the reset, and I will follow up. I'll go to court to make sure that the order was signed and follow up with the state via email, if that's okay.
Very good. Now, what did we say about Mr. Granshaw? Where is he at?
He is present.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Very good. Thank you both for being on time. And Mr. Garcia, I'm going to excuse you guys for 60 days on this particular matter. Blood can be very slow, as you know.
Thank you, Your Honor.
653312, State versus Norberto Ochoa, attorney, Jerry Valdez Jr. A thunderous silence.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Roberto-
I'm present.
Roberto Ochoa? Hey, Jerry, you are here. I'm surprised.
Yes,
Very
yes,
good.
Judge. I've had no contact with Mr. Ochoa. I've tried calling his, that phone number has been provided to me.
All right. We'll give you a week to produce him. Otherwise, there will be a warrant.
All right, Judge. I'll try and locate him to the bondsman probably.
There you are. At this time, Jerry, unless you have another case on the docket, you're excused.
That's it, Judge. Thank you, Judge. You have a good morning.
You too.
Thank you, Judge.
660063, State versus Presley Barnes, who was in jail. Attorney Leslie Sahanovich. Leslie Sahanovich, no response. And Mr. Barnes cannot respond. He's sitting in the pokey. Mr. White, have you conferred?
I have, Your Honor, and I'd like a reset on this. I received this notice of today's hearing just 2 days ago, and I've been trying to reach my client since then on the phone to tell him, but have been able to get an answer on that. Keep on getting the answer, wireless customer is not available. Try again later. So if you could give me a reset to where I can mail him notice, and he'd be sure to show then.
All right, sir. I'm going to give you that 30-day reset. I will not issue a warrant for the gentleman since you were not able to contact him.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And you're excused, Mr. White, unless you have another case on the docket.
That's it. You mean I'll be sent notice of the hearing date?
Yes. Nicole, can you send a
I'll
notice?
email you.
All right.
I'll
Um,
email you,
Yes,
Michael.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. Thanks very much. Thank you, Your
Mhm.
Honor.
Ms. Morgan. Ms. Morgan,
She's in a breakout room, Judge.
and is she with Mr. Vela?
I think she's getting ready. She was in the one with Michael White, but she's still in there right now.
Well, but Mr. White is already out.
I know that.
Caitlin Morgan. Mr. Vela? Okay, I guess you already joined her. Continuing on the docket. Leslie Sahanovich, no response. Have you heard from him, Nicole?
No.
666532, State versus Joel Gouldsby. And
You-
attorney is Milton Butler.
Yes, Your Honor, he is in jail. He got rearrested on Saturday.
All right, consistent jail. And Mr. Butler, what do you wish to do today?
Well, I don't think we can do anything today till they send him to the jail court.
All right. At this point, though, then we'll reset your 30 days, see what's going on.
Okay, thank you.
Unless you have something else this morning here in this court, you're excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 666-546, State versus Jose Gonzalez.
Yes, sir. I'm here, Judge.
Engelke, Ms. Engelke.
I believe that's my case, Your Honor.
Scott Engelke.
Yes, Chief Engelke.
Mr. Engelke, no response.
I'm here. Your
There
Honor,
you are. There you are. I'm
oh,
sorry.
I just saw the camera. Okay.
All right. And Mr. Jose Gonzalez.
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Very good. Thank you both for being on time. Scott, what do you want to do today?
I haven't had a chance to speak with my client or communicate the hearing, although he's here. So I'd like to reset the case so I can discuss it with the prosecutors and offer on his case.
Well, do you want to confer with the state today?
That would be fine.
You're number 5. Shouldn't be that long.
Okay, thank you.
Stick around. 666-564, State versus Jessica Lozano, Attorney Aaron Diaz.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Diaz.
Ms.
Is your
Lozano.
client around? Yes,
Yes,
I
she's
see her. All righty. What are your wishes this morning, Mr. Diaz?
I'd like to confer with the state. I've got
Okay.
most of the discovery, just a few items to discuss with them.
All right, shouldn't take that long. You're number 6.
Thank you, Your Honor.
666-614, State versus John Casanova, no attorney of record. John Casanova. Absent. And that's the docket for this morning, short docket. How unusual. Let's see. Blakely Moore, attorney. Jocelyn Andrews, attorney. James Dwiggins, attorney. Leslie Sahanovich, attorney. Defendants with no answer. Daniel Garza.
Might be able to look it up.
John Casanova. All right, court will be in recess shortly, briefly. Mr. Vela, has Mr. Vela returned, or is he in conference with the state?
They're conferring, Judge.
All right. Then following Mr. Vela will be Loretta Hewitt.
Right.
Following Ms. Hewitt will be Larry Meadows. Okie dokie. Everybody relax.
Yes, sir. The judge said I had like 7 days to show up in person. Which just do it. I'm sure you got taken care of on the 30th. Yeah, yes. Go straight down here.
Sir, how you doing?
Let's see.
Good seeing you, sir. How was everything?
Oh, okay. Sixth time. In-person appearance today. That was canceled.
Yeah.
Is Candy's open?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good.
For in dining and takeaway too. I eat there probably once a week. They've got a great Cobb salad. How you been?
Oh, fine.
You get hit with COVID anytime?
Yes.
Really?
My wife and I got COVID in late January.
Was it bad?
It was worse for her than it was for me. We were exposed as a friend of ours from California came back, and we drove around and I guess shared each other's ear. Although he got it, he swears it's less than everything. But my wife called the ambulance because we were sleeping in different parts of the house. The boy getting sick, and she had one of those pulse oximeters, and her oxygen was down 75%.
Holy mackerel.
But she kept going to the hospital, like saying it was something else. We were in there for about a week.
Wow, I'm glad y'all are okay.
Then we got vaccinated in about 2 months.
My son got it and he lives with us. So we were exposed, but luckily nothing happened.
Yeah, that's good. Well, I read somewhere that there was a study that said that if you recovered from COVID, you had 13 times more protection than the vaccine.
That's what they say.
Of course, if you have the vaccine and COVID, you might do it a lot.
Judge, is this a good time to give you an update?
Yes.
It's Loretta Hewitt. I conferred on Ricky Vella, 651722.
Yes, ma'am.
And if we could, I've been given an offer, and there is a little bit more discovery that I need to finish reviewing. if we could just have a 30-day reset so I can let the prosecutor know if we're going to apply for PTD or if we need to discuss this more.
Day reset. You have that, Ms. Hewitt. Thank you for being here on time this morning and taking care of business.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Stay safe.
You too.
All right, that means Ms. Morgan should be with Larry Meadows. Have we heard from Ms. Pollard?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Judge, this
Yes,
is Larry Meadows. I'm not with Miss Morgan. I don't know if, am I going to be,
you should be. Well,
No, Judge, you gave him a reset. You said you want him to figure out the juvenile case.
oh,
but
yeah,
I
yeah.
was- Judge, I would still like.
Yeah,
to
but he was gonna confer to try and figure out what's going on with that case.
Okay.
Is she conferring with Engelke?
No, she's already out.
All right, Ms. Morgan, if you would please confer with Larry Meadows briefly about that juvenile defendant.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. All right.
There's an invite that came up here for.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, sir. I had to come up to the microphone. Say Nicole.
Nicole? Did you want to put me in a breakout room? This is Keith Engelke.
Yes.
I'm in the courtroom.
I sent the invite already, but she is conferring still with someone else right now. So you're right after this person.
Okay, well, I'll just wait then.
You'll probably have to get the bailiff to help you join the breakout room if you don't know how to do it from there.
As soon as that sign pops up, let me know. I'll put you in the breakout room.
Okay.
Do you see it?
No. I see a yellow dot by the judge.
No,
That's not it.
no. Let me see. I had you originally in room 5.
Right. I tried to join that, but I guess I didn't do something right.
Okay, hold on. Let's see. I try putting you in another one, okay?
It's number 7.
7?
Nicole, this is Larry Meadows.
Yes.
I conferred with Caitlin. Just reset it. We need to figure out some things, particularly the juvenile situation.
Okay. I already reset it. I had
Okay.
already.
How
Yeah.
far did you reset it out?
I just put it for October 6th.
October 6th.
Yeah, just a regular 30-day reset.
Okay.
If anything else changes within that time, or if you need more time, just let us know. You can
Okay,
let Patty know. She'll be back by then.
Okay. All right. I'm leaving
Okay.
the meeting. So
All right. You're good.
have a good day.
Yes. You too.
Mr. Meadows, you're excused. Thank you for being here.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
All right. That means now that Mr. Engelkey, did he already,
I put him in a breakout room, but I need to let Caitlin know that he is next. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna hop in the breakout room with her.
all righty. Following Mr. Engelkey will be Aaron Diaz.
She was gone already.
I have Vela on Mendoza. I have an update.
Mr. Vela.
Yes, I spoke with the prosecutor. I believe we're going to set up for a plea. I gave Nicole my client's email so that we can review the documentation. And if we could get it set for a plea,
You want to do the plea today, right?
Excuse me?
No,
We're doing the plea today.
I don't believe so.
Well, all right, I'm confused.
Okay,
You're gonna set this up for a plea, but not today.
not today, Your Honor. I'd like
All
to,
right,
I'd like to
okay.
go over the plea documentation with my client.
Reset for plea. 30 days should be sufficient, right?
Oh, that's more than enough, Your Honor. If
Well, you
we're
want
doing
2 weeks?
2 weeks probably be better.
All right, 2 weeks. Nicole, please.
all right. I'll email you a date, Renee.
I appreciate it. Maybe we,
Yeah.
maybe,
All right. Robert Wilson, what can we do for Robert Wilson?
Your Honor, I represent Justin Gamboa. He's here online with us.
You represent whom?
Justin Gamboa. He's online with us.
Okay, he was probably number 1 or so.
Yeah, he was an early bird, Your Honor. He's serious about this case.
Justin Gamboa, he was first and was number 1. I show Blakely Moore as the attorney. Are you with Mr. Moore?
I'm Blakely Moore's partner in South Texas, so I'll be handling all his cases here. So yeah.
All right.
I've tried to put my name on there up to number 1 so you'd know, but I guess I've been unsuccessful. I need to call your coordinator again and try again.
Nicole, would you make note of that, please? And Mr. Wilson, what are your wishes for this morning?
Yeah, I was hoping to talk to the prosecutor this morning if we
Well,
had.
by golly, your hopes will be observed or complied with. You're number 7 and we're already past number 5, I believe, so it won't be long.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. How's Mr. Moore doing?
He is fantastic. He's on the run this morning. He's got 7 courts to visit today. And in Tarrant County.
Other than that, he's not too busy, huh?
No, and in Tarrant County, they're doing in-person everything. So he
Where's
is
that at?
actually Tarrant County and that Fort Worth.
Yeah.
You remember whenever the last I guess letter we got from our judges was that we're going to stop because the D virus is on the uptick. We're going to stop jury trials. That same day, they got a letter in Fort Worth, Tarrant County, that says we're going to install a rocket docket and we're doing nothing but jury trials for the next 3 months. It was so they have kind of the opposite perspective up there. I don't know if they're still doing that, but
well, what can I tell you? We like to be sensible here.
I know
they have a different opinion or a different approach.
I guess I'm so glad I'm down here.
All right. Okay. Well, you're on in the line for conferring. Ms. Medrano, have we heard from Ms. Pollard?
Yes, she's already joined us.
Huh?
She's already joined us and she's conferring with Ingoki.
Okay. What about Ms. Morgan? Where's she at?
She's with Mr. Diaz, Aaron Diaz.
With Aaron Diaz, what happened to Ingoki?
They're conferring, Judge.
Sorry?
They're conferring right now.
Okay.
Catherine is with Ingoki and Caitlin is with Diaz.
And I'm back, Your Honor.
You're back, being Aaron. Mr. Diaz, talk to me.
Yeah, so we're going to ask for a 60-day reset. This is a red file. Blood results are taking a bit of time now. So
you said it's a red file?
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll reset you 60 days.
I'll email you the reset, Aaron.
Thank you, Nick.
You're welcome.
Mr. Diaz and Ms. Lozano, thank you both for being here on time and you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Engelke is not back, right? But that means Ms. Morgan is available.
She should be available, yes.
All right, then I always love to hear the word should. All right, Mr. Wilson.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Morgan, I believe, is available to confer with you. We'll see. Caitlin, are you there?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Caitlin Morgan. My golly, disappeared on me. You're next anyway. Okay, court's going to take a 5-minute recess.
Hey, Nicole, are you there?
Okay.
They're on a quick break, Catherine.
Awesome, thank you. I'll
Okay.
go ahead and assign, Mr. Engelke, I'll assign y'all to a breakout room.
Okay. I'll wait. Okay, Larry. Yeah, again.
Um,
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you put me in a breakout room with Catherine?
Yes,
Okay. Nicole,
yes, I'm here.
could you put me in a breakout room with Catherine Pollard? My
Yes,
client. Okay.
And Nicole,
yes.
I know I was in breakout room 8. Can I come back here in about 15 minutes?
Okay,
Okay, I'm really sorry. I'm being called on some kind of emergency.
okay, yeah, it's fine. Go ahead.
I'll be back as soon as possible.
Okay.
Yeah, why? Anything to report?
Not right now, Judge.
Okay. Has Mr. Engelke finished his conferring?
He's in there right now.
Really? Okay. How about Mr. Wilson?
He had to step out for a second, Judge. He said he would be back in a few minutes.
Okay, we have a deal.
John Longoria? Good morning.
Just let Nicole know. She'll set you up.
Mhm. Nicole?
Yes.
Okay, this is Mr. Engelke. We have a deal with Catherine. She
I'm
wants
so
to.
sorry. I'm so sorry. Can we go back into a breakout room? I didn't search something I should have searched, and we need to talk about that deal.
Okay, I'm gonna put him in another one, okay? Catherine?
Sorry. Okay, sorry about that.
In room two.
Okay.
Go back in there, Mr. Ingogi.
Nicole.
Yes, sir.
Okay. He's got a case that's going to be filed in a few days,
Okay,
and she wants to look at that and before we take care of this one, because we might be able to combine them somehow.
okay. So just a
So I guess I
reset?
need that's, yes, correct.
Okay, I can give you the 30 days if that's okay.
Sure. Okay, 30 days.
And I'll email you the reset.
Okay, that's great.
Okay,
Could you put me in a room with host? Can you dismiss us and put us in a room put me in a
Yes.
room with my client?
okay. And
Thank
who's
you.
your client?
Jose Gonzalez.
Okay, hang on.
Okay. Oh, where is she? Oh, Nicole?
Yes, I'm here.
Could you, okay, you've given us the reset and I've talked to my client. So I guess I need you to excuse him and do I need the judge to excuse me?
Okay.
Yeah, Judge, are you there?
I didn't quite understand what you were saying.
I'm not excused, Your Honor. The case has been reset,
For how long you want?
30 days.
Okay. And that is Jose Gonzalez.
Yes, sir.
All right, you're reset for 30 days.
Okay. And both of us are excused?
Yes, sir, and stay safe, okay?
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Okay. Press the leave button.
That takes care of Mr. Engelkey.
Right.
Oh, it's your screen. Oh. We don't want that there.
Mr. Wilson is in conferring.
No, he stepped out and he said he would be back in a few minutes.
Okay, I think he's the last one to confer, is he not?
I think so. Is he here for this gentleman? Sir, what is your name? CEY? You're muted. There you go.
Mr. Smith, I was waiting on lawyer Steve Harkins.
Okay. Have you talked to him before?
Ma'am?
Have you been in contact with him?
Yes, ma'am. I received a text from his secretary at 8 o'clock this morning, said he was going to be here.
Okay.
Yes,
All right.
ma'am.
That's Stephen Harkins.
Yes.
Sir.
There was a note from, I think you made a note, mentioned it, but I think there was a note to us, Nicole, that he would be late.
Yes.
Well, he's plenty late so far. It's 10 o'clock.
Right.
How about Jocelyn Andrews? Have you heard from her?
No, I have not. Check my emails.
You might give her a call. Then we have James Dwiggins. His client has been is here, and he's in jail.
He's in jail, yeah.
So Dwiggins has not answered, and it's 10 o'clock.
Right.
Miss Andrews is not available. It's 10 o'clock. Leslie Sahanovich, he's got a jail client that's Presley Barnes. 10 o'clock, nothing from Leslie, no contact.
No, no contact.
All right, we have three lawyers with no response. One will be late, and that's where we're at right now.
Right.
We don't have anything scheduled for this afternoon.
No, Judge.
Okay. What kind of docket are we looking at Friday? Do you know?
What was that?
What kind of a docket are we looking at for Friday?
For Friday, I don't have Friday's docket just yet, Judge. I'm sure it'll be sent to me soon. It has to be sent today.
Let me know.
Judge, it's I have the docket. It's 2 pages.
You have it already?
Judge, it's a small one. We have 15 cases set on Friday.
How do you guys have it already?
Just using our system to pull up.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
I haven't gotten mine
All
yet.
right.
I'll send it to you, Nicole.
I forgot to put my.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, but I'm not hearing accurately or clearly. What about Friday?
It's a small docket, Judge.
How many cases?
It looks 13 to me. 13 cases.
13?
Yes.
Okay. Nicole, I'm
I'll
gonna-
send it to you right now, Judge.
okay, thank you.
Uh-huh. Well, you know, there's the other dockets that are included because that's how I get it. So just go to the county court 5, Judge.
All righty.
I sent it to you, Nicole.
Okay, thank you.